Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Earwax Kit is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for earwax buildup, offering a convenient and effective way to maintain ear hygiene and prevent discomfort at home. This video will cover the top-rated earwax removal kits available on the market, helping you choose the best one for your needs and preferences based on factors such as ease of use, safety, effectiveness, and overall value. Number 5. Debrox Earwax Removal Kit. Are you experiencing discomfort from built-up earwax? It's a common problem, but Debrox can help. This kit makes removing excess wax easy and safe from the comfort of your home. It uses a gentle microfoaming action to loosen and soften the wax. This allows it to drain naturally, relieving any discomfort. Do you frequently use earbuds, headphones, or hearing aids? They can contribute to wax buildup. This kit helps address that. Debrox contains carbamide peroxide to help remove earwax effectively. It's a simple and safe solution for adults and children over 12. The kit includes a bottle of Debrox earwax removal drops and a soft bulb syringe. Simply apply the drops, wait, and then gently flush with water using the syringe. Always consult a doctor before using this product if you are under 12 years old or have any concerns. Safe and effective earwax removal for a comfortable listening experience. What we like? It uses a microfoaming action to gently soften the wax, making it easy to remove. The kit includes both drops and a syringe for a complete solution. If you're looking for a gentle and effective way to remove earwax at home, this is a great option for adults and children over 12. What people say. It was really easy to use. I dropped 6 drops into my ears and waited. Then flushed it out with warm water with that bulb that it came with. Don't give up after the first day. It was day 2 that earwax came out. The whole process for me took about 45 minutes. I was just dealing with one ear, right side. All you really need to do is put the tip of the bulb slightly in so the water can get inside the canal. Don't overthink the flushing out part. Drop as many drops as your ears can hold without overflowing. You can pull your earlobes to move it around. Rest your head sideways on a pillow for 30 minutes. Very important step to wait this long, and your head in this position versus straight looking ahead, as this helps get the formula fully working. Fill the pump thing, very important to have this, otherwise it would not have come out, for my ears at least, with water by squeezing it in, under running water, release to let it fill up, with warm water, and with your head sideways, insert the pump into your ear as far as you can, and squeeze the pump fast and hard, so that the stream of water squirts out and is aimed into your ear. The repetition of this will loosen the large chunk of earwax. Number 4. Medi Grade Ear Syringe. It's time to experience a new level of ear hygiene. This kit uses a gentle stream of water to safely remove stubborn earwax, unlike potentially harmful methods like ear candles or cotton swabs. This isn't your average ear syringe. It features our unique quad stream nozzle for a 360 degrees clean, ensuring thorough earwax removal. The kit includes 3 color-coded tips, perfect for individual use and promoting hygiene. It's designed for use by anyone over the age of 12. Discover the most effective and natural way to clean your ears. Water is the key to a comfortable and thorough clean, leaving your ears feeling refreshed. While not essential, it works even better when used with Medi Grade ear wax drops, sold separately. Create your personalized ear care routine today. This ear syringe is the first step towards better oral hygiene. It's a safe and gentle way to care for your precious hearing. What we like? This kit uses a gentle stream of water to safely remove earwax, unlike other methods that can be harsh or damaging. It comes with multiple tips for the whole family, promoting hygiene. If you prefer a water-based solution and value safety and hygiene, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Using the syringe is incredibly easy, even for someone like me who was initially hesitant about earwax removal at home. The design is intuitive, and the step-by-step instructions made the process foolproof. The gentle flow of water helps to dislodge and flush out excess earwax without causing discomfort or irritation. What truly impressed me is the effectiveness of this syringe. It's clear that the design was carefully thought out to ensure efficient removal of earwax buildup. With its controlled water flow, I was able to clean my ears thoroughly without resorting to potentially harmful methods like cotton swabs. The kit has attachment tips that spray out in 4 directions like a water sprinkler head at the very tip. This is so when you plunge the syringe, you don't eject a solid stream of water into the center of the wax plug and potentially pushing it in further. This is a great design. Ideally, the spray hits the edges of the wax plug to loosen it. It seemed to do exactly that. Number 3. Earwax Removal Kit. Say goodbye to earwax buildup with our innovative kit. It's designed for gentle and effective ear cleaning, giving you a comfortable and clean feeling. This kit includes 8 different sized ear spoons to suit every ear shape and size. Find the perfect fit for a comfortable and thorough cleaning. See exactly what you're doing with the built-in camera. This ensures a safe and precise cleaning experience, avoiding any accidental damage. The integrated LED light illuminates the ear canal, providing clear visibility even in low-light conditions. This makes cleaning easier and safer. It seamlessly connects to your smartphone via the app, providing a convenient and user-friendly experience. View the cleaning process directly on your phone's screen. Its simple design makes it easy to use, even for beginners. Plus, it's easy to clean and maintain for long-lasting use. What we like? This product has some key features, but more information is needed to provide a proper promotion. Please provide more details about this product. What people say. The addition of the camera takes ear cleaning to a whole new level. It's incredible to see inside your ear in real time, ensuring you're cleaning safely without causing harm. The camera resolution is surprisingly clear, and connecting it to my phone was a breeze. The built-in camera, paired with the app, provides a crystal clear view, making the entire process so much easier and safer. The app was straightforward to set up and use, and the kit itself feels well made and durable. The soft, ergonomic tips are gentle on the ears, and I love that the camera's resolution is top-notch, no blurry images here. The tool comes with a number of attachments. The one that comes attached to the tool is a small scoop with a rubber covering that is extremely soft. I was able to gently run the tool along the ear canal and it does a great job removing earwax. Equally impressive is the camera. It provides a crystal clear view of your ear and an amazing view of the eardrum. You can take a photo via the app or by pressing the button on the tool. Number 2. NAVEH PHARMA CleanEars. Introducing CleanEars, the fast-acting ear wax removal drops. It breaks down and dissolves wax in just one treatment, leaving your ears feeling clean and clear. CleanEars is clinically proven to be 300% more effective than other leading products. It's a safe and gentle solution for all ages. With its patented sprayer, it's easy to use, no need to tilt your head for minutes. The refreshing aroma adds to the pleasant experience. CleanEars is made with all natural ingredients and is preservative-free. It's a non-irritant formula, perfect for sensitive ears. It effectively clears earwax, helping protect your hearing without harsh chemicals. Say goodbye to clogged ears. CleanEars is suitable for the whole family, saving you trips to the doctor. Use it regularly to prevent wax buildup and keep your ears healthy. What we like? It's a fast-acting formula that breaks down and dissolves wax in just one treatment. It's all natural and clinically proven to be effective. If you need a quick and effective solution and prefer natural ingredients, then this product is for you. What people say. Wanted a product to replace ear swabs, this works for us. Was unsure if it would be successful in gently removing wax from ears, it works. I have an ear camera and both my ears were almost totally blocked. Used the product twice in each ear and not a trace of wax left. My doctors told me I need to clean out my ears from years of buildup. So I purchased a simple non-painful way of cleaning out my ears. The product was easy to use, you just squirt a few sprays into your ear and lean your head or lay down for a few minutes to let it work. Do that a few times couple days in a row and you will notice a big difference in your ears. Number 1. Earwax Removal Kit. This at-home ear cleaning system is just like what doctors use. It's quick, easy, and saves you costly clinic visits. It's gentle on your sensitive ear skin. It effectively removes wax, dirt, and debris without causing damage. This ear cleaner is quick and effective for excess wax buildup. It's safe for kids and adults. Everything you need is included: spray bottle, basin, 40 tips, towel, and more. It's easy to use and provides maximum cleaning. We stand behind our product. Your satisfaction is our priority. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for thorough ear cleaning at home, saving you money on doctor visits. It's easy to use and effective for all ages. If you want a comprehensive and budget-friendly solution for earwax removal, this is the one for you. What people say. It's easy to use, safe, and includes everything you need: a basin, syringe, curette kit, towel, and plenty of disposable tips. It makes cleaning my ears so much easier and more effective. This has the effectiveness and makes cleaning easier. This will help keep his ears flushed and aid in pain relief in a way. My daughter recommended this kit to me. Works great. Flushing bottle works great with warm water. The rods are also great, but you need to use caution when using them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.